Hello and a warm welcome to Learning is Fun by MGB. Here I present you with a tutorial on augmented reality. So, my dear friends and my dear students, welcome to an augmented world. So let us first understand what is augmented reality. Now in augmented reality, we add the virtual object or element to a real environment in real time to create overall composite view. Now, it can be an image, it can be a text, it can be some kind of sound, or it can be animation. So we can say overall that augmented reality is an interactive experience of a real world environment where the real objects are enhanced by adding some kind of computer generated information to it. So here you can find some examples of AR. You can see, okay, the location, like we are spotting the location, okay, maybe some retail store are showing some kind of deals that are available in their shop through the augmented reality, rather than because people are not these days are not able to go to the market. So by placing the labels on the picture or the image taken of the items, okay, as if the labels are there on the retail store, but it's not there. It's actually the labels has been superimposed on the image of the items. Okay, and then you can see here also the apples or the fruits, like apples, everything, the price tag has been added. But though the price tags are not there in the reality, but actually this price tags have been added with the real image of the fruits. So this is actually these are the few examples of augmented reality. Now, types of augmented reality: markerless AR, marker-based AR, projection-based AR, and superimposition-based AR. So what is markerless AR? Markerless AR, where the application does not require any prior knowledge of the user environment to overlay a virtual 3D object into the scene. So the most common example of this is the GPS system, the location tracking. Okay, suppose from my own house I want to go to some place where the exact location I don't know, or the way I don't know, which path I am supposed to take I don't know. I am just giving my destination and the source from where I am starting, and entire Google map, if I am talking about, I think you people know also about it, the Google map will entirely show you the direction, okay, how to go to that particular place. That is markerless AR. Now, marker-based AR. Marker-based AR, you need some kind of image, okay, on some kind of object, okay, and maybe it is like the object will be scanned through a camera, okay, and then some kind of virtual thing can be superimposed on that. A basic example of is QR code. Okay, we are scanning the QR code through our smartphone, and we are getting the information, the product information, like the price or the etc. etc. So that is marker based AR. And here you can see some more examples of marker based AR. Projection based AR. Projection based AR, that this anything, the computer related thing, can be projected on any kind of real environment objected, not only onto a suppose like what we do in the projection, like we are projecting it on a whiteboard. No, we can project it on anything, maybe on a desk, maybe even on our own body, like hand or etc. Okay, so we can project the entire thing, okay, on any real object. It can be a wall, it can be the desk, like is shown in the images, okay, maybe on your hand. So it's a light. It is projecting artificial light onto the real world surface, and the projection based application allow for human interaction by sending the light onto the real world surface and then sensing the human interaction. Okay, that is a touch of that projected light, and detecting the user's interaction is done by the differentiating between the expected projection and the altered projection caused by the human touch. The superimposition AR, based AR, that is any real object will be superimposed by any kind of image or any kind of animation. Okay, so for example, I'll give a simple example, like in a social media. Okay, there are lot of features available on Facebook or Instagram, like when we are trying to create some kind of comedy video. So image of a face of a monkey, face of a horse are imposed on our own face. Okay, so that is superimposition based AR. Okay, I think you people know about it. Like on Instagram, on Facebook, we are our face is recognized, and then entire face is getting covered by a face of monkey or a face of horse or whatever. So our own faces are getting superimposed by another kind of face. Maybe it's animal, or maybe another person's face also. So that is superimposition based AR, where either partially or fully replaces the original view of an object with a newly augmented view of that same object. And for that, object recognition plays a vital role, because the application cannot replace the original view with an augmented one if it cannot determine what the object is. So this is a small explanation on augmented reality and different types of augmented reality. So I hope this augmented reality is somewhat clear to you. So hoping that I end over here. Thank you for watching, and for more such videos, do subscribe my channel, and if you have liked my video, do give a like and share with your friends. Thank you once again.